stop guessing on why your text and titles are slowing down playback in DaVinci Resolve. This is exactly how you fix a stutter without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or tell you to just reduce resolution, but here at Rexish we know it is a Fusion engine bottleneck. Before we smooth the timeline, you need to understand the logic or you'll just get stuck with a lagging cursor every time you add a lower third. We are going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so your playback stays at a locked 60 FPS. The problem is that text plus titles are mathematical compositions that eat your GPU's VRAM. This is the authority fix from Rexish that guarantees your editing speed. You might think you need a $5,000 PC, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is the smart cache toggle. It pre-renders your titles in the background, so your CPU doesn't have to think. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of a buttersmooth preview is seconds away. Go to the playback menu, select render cache, and switch it to smart. Wait for the red line above your titles to turn blue. If it's still lagging, right-click the title and select render cache fusion output -on. Fixing laggy titles in Resolve. This video explains how to manage the fusion cache, specifically for text layers, to ensure your timeline stays fluid. If you follow me exactly, your playback is now flawless. Comment below if you want the secret to render in place for instant 4K titles.